Is your brother printer not connecting to Wi-Fi? Whether it's a new setup or your printer suddenly went offline, this video will show you simple step-by-step fixes that work for most brother printers. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Restart your devices. Turn off your brother printer and unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Plug the router back in, wait for the internet to reconnect, then turn your printer back on. This simple restart fixes many temporary network issues. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your printer is connecting to the correct Wi-Fi network. Most brother printers work best with a 2.4 GHz network. Also verify that your Wi-Fi password is correct and your internet connection is working. Step 3. Run the wireless setup wizard. On your printer, go to Menu, Network, WLAN, then Setup Wizard. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password carefully, and wait for the printer to display Connected or Connection OK. Step 4. Try WPS setup. If your router has a WPS button, press it first. Then, on your printer, go to Menu, Network, WLAN, then WPS. The printer should connect automatically without entering the password. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the printer still won't connect, reset its network settings. Go to Menu, Network, Network Reset. After the printer restarts, run the wireless setup wizard again. Step 6. Update the printer driver and firmware. Install the latest Brother printer driver on your computer and check for firmware updates using the Brother Mobile Connect app or Brother software. Updates often fix wireless connection problems. Step 7. Reinstall the printer. If your printer is connected to Wi-Fi but your computer can't find it, remove the printer from your computer and install it again using the latest Brother driver package. Those are the easiest ways to fix a brother printer not connecting to Wi-Fi. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more printer troubleshooting guides. If you're still having problems, comment with your brother printer model number and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching!